Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Carrier support, latest iOS, and cellular data enabled. These prevent hidden blocks. Once done, set a clear, strong Wi-Fi password so only intended devices connect. Next, open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and toggle Allow Others to Join. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on as visual pairing aids. You're now broadcasting. This first batch of actions removes common barriers and establishes the hotspot signal you'll make discoverable. Now refine discoverability. Change your iPhone name to something recognizable. This is the SSID other devices will see. Then verify Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remain enabled. These protocols help devices find and negotiate connection. In Personal Hotspot, ensure Allow Others to Join stays on and observe the hotspot banner. It confirms broadcasting. For Apple ecosystem devices, use Family Sharing or Instant Hotspot. These bypass passwords. Once done, nearby devices should list your iPhone. You finish by testing. From a laptop or phone, find the iPhone SSID and attempt connection. Check web pages to confirm data flows. If connection stalls, toggle Personal Hotspot off then on, or restart the iPhone to clear temporary radio glitches. If problems persist, reset network settings to remove corrupt Wi-Fi profiles. This often fixes hidden hotspots. As a last step, contact your carrier to confirm hotspot provisioning. If nothing works, mention this tip. Run the restart and reset sequence before escalating to carrier support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.